now we will talk about the next sociologist, and that is Herbert Spencer. The British sociologist of the 19th century, Herbert Spencer, presented the theory of social evolution to explain the process of social development. Okay, so he said in order to explain social development, he connected it with the theory of social evolution. What is social evolution? That first we were monkeys, and from monkeys we became human, right? First we used to hunt only, right? Then we started doing agriculture, we started using agriculture, and we started getting more land, and then we became stable, right? That is how society was formed. First man was moving from one place to another place, right? But then as soon as he discovered agriculture, he started settling down. So he said that social evolution and social development are connected, and he developed his theory of social development based on this social evolution. He has mentioned this in his book, The Study of Sociology and Principle of Sociology. So he has mentioned about this in his two books, The Study of Sociology and the Principles of Sociology. Okay. He compared society with living being and described society as an organism. So what did he compare? He compared society to organism, and he compared the society to organism. Okay, and he said that society is just like an organism. Next thing, he's like, you know how organism is, right? It develops. Like first the organism, or let's say any animal, okay, is a baby, and then it grows, becomes mature, and then he dies. Same way the society is also like that. First it is just born, and then it grows and develops and moves forward. Okay. He mentioned the fact that like human body, society also consists of different parts, and in order to sustain the society, it is essential for different parts to work together. Next thing he did is that he compared the society to human body. Okay, and he said that how different organs are there in the body, how different parts are there in human body, right? We have our hands, legs, lungs, heart, eyes, ears, and we need everything to function properly. We need eyes to function properly, we need ears to function properly, we need legs to function properly, so that we as human beings can work properly. Similarly, same things are there in society. Society has different parts. Okay, there is marriage, there is family, there is religion, there are so many different things. All these things have to work together, okay, as one team for the society to work properly. Okay, like organism, the society also evolves એટલે develops. Okay, like how organism, I told you, right, it's just a baby first, and then it moves, it grows, right, and it develops itself, it becomes mature. Similarly, society also first it's just newborn, then it grows, it develops, etc. Okay. And he said that this part is connected to according to him, society also evolves like organism, and this was the important feature of his theory, social evolution. So he's mentioned about this theory in social evolution, and that was the main part of his theory or research. Okay. It is worth mentioning here that the revolutionary of Gujarat, Shyamji Krishna Varma, during his stay in London, had come under the influence of Herbert Spencer, and after the death of Spencer, he had declared Herbert Spencer Indian Fellowship. So in the Indian revolutionary or Indian freedom fighter Shyamji Krishna Varma, okay, when he went to London, he came into contact with Herbert Spencer, and he was deeply impressed by Herbert Spencer, and he was influenced by Herbert Spencer. He spoke highly about him, and after Herbert Spencer died, he started a fellowship, or he started like a scholarship thing, which was called as the Herbert Spencer Indian Fellowship. Okay, so I will go back and explain you the thing, revision. Okay, he said that social development is linked with the theory of social evolution, and he spoke about this in his book, The Study of Sociology and the Principles of Sociology. Next thing he did is he compared society to an organism. He said how all the human body parts have to work together for the human body to work properly. Same way, even different parts of the society has to work together for the society to function properly. Like, so organism evolves meaning grows or develops. Same way, even society grows and develops. Shyamji Krishna Verma, who was the revolutionary of Gujarat, when he went to London, he met Herbert Spencer. He was deeply influenced by him, and after Herbert Spencer died, he started the fellowship called as Herbert Spencer Indian Fellowship.